How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video, and this one I'm finally updating my Logitech mouse. This is the MX Master 3, if I can get that in focus. But we're going to unbox this and give you a quick rundown, and I'm going to hook it up and give you my first impression / review of what this is about and why I really like it. I currently use the previous edition, which is hands down my favorite thing to use. It goes everywhere with me when I travel and everything, and I can't imagine myself without this thing. It's just built perfectly for my hands. Functionality is perfect. So in fact, I'm actually looking forward to all the enhancements that's been done to the new one, and because I'm struggling to see how much they can actually improve this, how much further they can improve it. But I've read good things about it, so I'm actually excited to use this. But without further chat, let's unbox it, see what you get inside the box. And I'm going to connect it to my laptop. I use a MacBook Pro 2019, and yeah, and see how that works. So here's the box itself. So immediately it tells you a bit of information about what you get inside. So you got MagSpeed, which is fast scrolling, ultra fast scrolling. And if you go on the back, it gives you more information about the scroll wheel, which is now stainless steel, which we'll go through more in a second in terms of changes that they've done. You can speed up your workflow by connecting this to your laptop or whatever it is, so it makes it easy to navigate your system, your computer system. You got flow cross computer control, which means you can use application between a Mac and a Windows system, for example, which is pretty cool. It's comfortable to use, and you got that precision there as well. But anyway, let's unbox this and see everything that you get inside the box. So inside the box, you get MX Master 3 itself, which looks really nice. Look at that. It looks so snazzy, futuristic, and many more. Just put that to the side. And then you get your USB adapter as well. So if you don't have a Bluetooth device or laptop that's compatible with Bluetooth, you can use this, or for multi connectivity, you can use that as well with this. So that's very handy to have in the box on the get-go, from the get-go. And of course, you get your user manual. So do give that a read for quick setup. And then you've got your charging cable. And this time we have a USB-C cable. So before we used to have a micro USB connectivity, but now we have USB-C, which means faster charging for the MX Master 3. On the bottom of the MX Master 3, you have your quick setup guide as well. So it tells you to switch it on. You can connect via USB or Bluetooth. I'll be using Bluetooth in my situation. And then you can go to the setup website to get the, I think it comes with an application as well. So you can change the settings using the app as well, or the software. So if I just peel this off, and you've also got the connectivity with up to 3 systems there as well. So you press for 3 seconds to pair it up with 3 devices. So here we are. So you got that button there that you can use to connect to 3 devices. So you just tap which one you want to use at each time. That's to power it on. So if I switch that on, you can see that's flashing already, ready to pair. And then I can press that for the second one. I can press that for the third device. And that's your optical area there for precision. So one thing about this is you got USB-C quick charging. So you can charge this in 1 minute and charge this in 1 minute for 3 hours of use, which is pretty cool. And full charge will last you up to 70 days. So that's a long time to use this for without having to worry about charging it up. That's an update there as well. So that's a USB-C port now as well, which is pretty cool. I'm impressed with that. I'm happy with that. This feels nice and clicky as well when you're pressing it. And you got that full stainless steel material there now as well, which you can still change the settings as per usual. So you can press that to make it a lot more smoother, so you don't get any like feedback on there or clickiness. If you press that again, you get that a bit of like a movement there, like a clickiness when you're moving up and down. I tend to use it in that mode, which feels really nice. You can see it sideways as well. Looks good. On the side, you got nice comfortability area there as well. So you got that clicky area, which you can customize. You've also got this button that's moved from that side, is now here, and that's being replaced with that indicator light for your battery. And there you've got this stainless steel control as well on the side, scroll wheel, which also I love using as well. Pretty cool. And that's it. Really nice and minimalist. Looks really nice. I love the look of it. And I'm looking forward to using this as my daily driver and replacing my older version as well. If there's anything I don't like about the MX Master 3, it would be the fact that this is very right-handed focused. I don't know, as far as my knowledge goes of this MX series, there's no left-handed version. So if you're left-handed, it might be very, very, as you can see, awkward to actually use. So that's very interesting, something to bear in mind if you're looking to purchase one of these. So to wrap up, 3 things I really love about this is 1, comfortability. It feels really nice to hold in hand. It's very comfortable. And then secondly, I love the fact that you can still connect it to up to 3 devices, which is pretty cool. And then you've got that flow system, which means you can connect within 2 operating systems completely different and drag documents across And I'll go one extra further actually, and also like the scroll wheel design and the USB-C ports connectivity. Really much welcome upgrades on this MX Master 3. So that's it for the Logitech MX Master 3, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know as well. All relevant links and information will be in the description, so do check it out. In the meantime, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot. And hit the bell notification as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know when there's a video on the channel. I do not bombard people with videos, so you'd be in luck with that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.